Good day, friends. Let us continue with the pictorial representation of statistical data. In your syllabus, you have bar diagrams. Now, there are different types of bar diagrams. Simple bar diagram. In simple bar diagram, on x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, classes will come. On y-axis, frequency will come. So, simple bar diagram is in this way, where there will be same gap between the successive classes and every bar is at the respective distance from each other. So this is simple bar diagram. If it is joint bar diagram, another type of bar diagram is joint bar diagram. For the first class, suppose number of divisions, three divisions are given of standard 9, division A, division B and division C, and in one standard number of boys and number of girls. In division A, in one division, number of boys and number of girls are given, and that we want to mention it in the same graph by using bar diagram, joint bar diagram. So for the first class, suppose if this is the first class, midpoint, second class, third class, scale, it depends on us what we can use. Suppose for this is division A, these are number of boys and these are number of girls. So you can shade any one of that. Okay, so girls can be shown by this and boys can be shown by this for division A. Same way, suppose for division B, suppose number of boys are this many and suppose the number of girls are this many. So this type is known as joint bar graph. Simple bar graph, joint bar graph. Now there is one more, that is subdivided bar graph. In subdivided bar graph, suppose if this is same question, suppose division is A here, then B, C and so on. So for division A, suppose if these are the total number of students in division A and these many are boys and these remaining are girls. Girls are shown by shaded region and boys are shown by empty region. So on the same bar, both are covered, boys also, girls also of that class. This is subdivided, this is joint, this is simple. Suppose for division B, suppose the strength is more as compared to class A. These are suppose number of boys and these are the number of girls. So for division B, number of boys, number of girls. This is subdivided bar graph. One more is there, percentage bar graph. Given information will be converted out of percentage first. So on x-axis classes will come, but on y-axis for every class, for every bar, the height will be same, that is 100%. It will stop at 100% because this is percentage bar graph. Division A, division B and so on. So for every division this is 100%. For B also it is 100% because it is converted into percentage bar graph. So height will be same of all the classes. So when we will study that particular thing, you will understand it better. The basic thing is how many types of bar graphs. So simple bar graph, joint bar graph, divided, subdivided bar graph and percentage bar graph. Out of this, come to page number 110. Page number, not 110, before that, page number 109, also page number 108. Come to page number 108 of your lesson number 7, algebra book, page number 108. The graph which is shown here is of this type. This is joint bar graph. Bars are joint with each other. For 2010, Jawar and wheat production of 2010. Jawar is shown by triangles and wheat is shown by circles. So this is for wheat of 2010, this is for Jawar of 2010. Same way 2011, Jawar and wheat. Sorry, this is wheat and this is Jawar. Same way for 2012. So this type is of this one, that is joint bar graph. Come to page number 109, 109 page of same lesson. Here this graph is shown. Wheat and Jawar, same question is covered, but the bars are not attached. Bars are of this type. So this is known as subdivided bar graph. Page number 109, it is shown subdivided bar graph. Page 108, it is shown joint bar graph. Next page, come to page number 110. Page number 110, same question, 210, but see the height of all the bars is same at 100. This is percentage bar graph. All are converted, all information is converted in the form of percentage. So percentage means out of 100. So it is compared out of 100. Page number 110, the graph, first graph which is shown, that is percentage bar graph. Below also, this is one solve sum, family A, family B, some information is there related to that. That is also percentage bar graph. Based on this, question answers are there. Okay, based on this some questions are asked, and that is shown on the next page. So these are the 4 types of bar graphs for your study: simple bar graph, joint bar graph, subdivided bar graph, and percentage bar graph. Now based on this, we are going to solve first practice set of this lesson, that is 7.1, where we are going to draw some bar graphs with the help of given statistical information, which is known as data. Okay, data is nothing but the raw information provided to us to solve that question. Page number 111. On page number 111, practice set 7.1, question number 1. The following table shows the number of buses and trucks in nearest lakh units. Draw percentage bar diagram. Approximate the percentages to the nearest integer. Now when we are converting it into percentage, what happens? We have to carry the calculation. Okay, multiplication, division. And when we will carry the division, suppose the answer is 98.90. So 98.9. If after the decimal point it is 5 or more than 5. After the decimal point, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, 98.5 means approximately it is 96. But if it is less than 5, 98.4, 98.4, so approximately it will be considered as 98, because then only we can draw the graph properly. In decimal form we cannot draw, so it is written as approximately nearest integer we have to consider. In calculation it happens. Okay, suppose at the end of the year our percentage marks per percentage is 86.7, 86.70 or 86.7. So what we say is 86.7 means 87%. 86.7 means we will tell 87%. If it is 86.4, 86.4 means we will tell 86%. If it is 86.5, if 86.5, then also it will be 87.5 and more than that. If the digit after the decimal point is 5 or more than 5, it can be added in the next integer. Or if the digit after decimal point is smaller than 5, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, then it will be the previous integer. Based on that, here the information is year, number of trucks and number of buses. The following table shows the number of buses and trucks in nearest lakh. So that particular year is maybe manufacturing or don't know, just information is provided for that particular year. 2005 to 2005-6, number of trucks 47, number of buses 9. First we need to convert this given information into percentage, then only we can draw the percentage bar graph. Okay, for that the table completion, half mark will be for table completion and remaining half mark will be for the percentage bar graph. So first we will complete the table. I will start here. 7.1, question number 1. Given information is first year, that will be classes 2005 to 2006. Okay, first class we will complete, then we will go to the next. Then number of trucks, it's provided to us in the given information here. The number of trucks for first class it is 47. Then number of buses, number of buses are 7. Same way then next information is given. Okay, so first we need to convert this given information into percentage. How we can convert it into percentage? We need to know the total of this first. If we give the total, so we need to add this both, the total number of vehicles will come. Okay, 47 plus 7, total number of vehicles, total number of buses and trucks. Trucks are 47, buses are 7. If we add them, it will come 54. What it says? It says For the year 2005-6, total number of vehicles in the question are 54. Out of 54, 47 are trucks. Out of 54, 7 are buses. So if out of 54, 47 are trucks, we need to convert this information into percentage. So percentage of trucks, and then it will come percentage of buses in the last column. Percentage of buses and here percentage of trucks. So how to solve it? Out of 54, 47 trucks. Out of 54, 47 trucks. When total vehicles are 54, out of that 47 are trucks. Then out of 100, how much? This calculation will give us percentage of trucks for 2005-6. We will solve it there and then we will come here for the percentage value. So 47 upon 54 into 100. How to simplify it? 47 into 100 divided by 54. Either we can solve this both or direct table of 54 can be made. 47 into 100, 4700 divided by 54. So we'll make the table of 54. 54 1s are 54, 54 2s are 108, 54 3s are 162, 54 4s are 5s are 6s are, then 7s are 8s are 9s are, and then 10s are 540. Okay, table of 54. We'll divide it by 54. 47 is smaller than 54, so first three digit it will form 470. 470 means which will fit here? 8s are. So 54 1s are, 54 8s are 432. 470 is the number. We have 54 8s are 432. The difference is here 38. Okay, 38 we will take the next 0, so it will form 380. 380 means this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7s are 378. So 54 7s are 378. It remains here 2. The decimal point will convert it into 20. If you convert into 20, but again 20 is smaller than 54, so we need to consider 0. It will give one more 0, that is 200, and 54 3s are 162. Whatever it remains, we have the answer till 2 digit, 87.03. Now 87.03 we have to consider to nearest integer. After the decimal point, if the digit is in between 0 to 4, after the decimal point, if the digit is 0 to 4, same integer can be considered. So 87.03 means approximately 87%. But if after the decimal point, if the digit is 5 to 9, in between 5 to 9, one will be increased. Like if it is 87.63, after the decimal point the digit is 5 or more than 5, approximately this value can be considered. One should be added in the previous integer. So 87 can be considered as 88 because this is near about more than half, or if it is equal to half can be considered one additional. This is 87.03, so very small, less than half. So approximately this value is 87%. 47 out of 54 vehicles, trucks means 87% out of 100. Now very easy to find out for buses. Just subtract 87 from 100, we'll get the buses. So 100 minus 87, it will be 87 plus 3, 90, and 10, 13%. So in this way, for 2005-6, percentage can be converted, 87% for trucks and the remaining 13% for buses. Same way can be calculated for remaining years, 2007, 2008. For 2007-8, number of trucks are 56, number of buses are 13. Total of that because out of total it can be compared 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 1 6, total 69 vehicles. Out of that 56 buses and 13 56 trucks and 13 buses. So percentage of buses 56, percentage of trucks 56 trucks out of 69, then out of 100 how much? This calculation will give us the percentage of trucks for the year 2007-8. So how to continue it? 56 into 100, 5600, and we have to divide it by 69. So table of 69 will require. We'll form the table of 69 plus. First 69 1 the 69, then 2 the 138, then 3 the 207, then 4 the 276, 5 the 345, 6 the 414. If required, we'll continue that table. Let us, yeah, it is needing 560 we have here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 the 7 the carry 6, 42 plus 6 48, then 8 the carry 7, 552, 9 the carry 8, 9 9s 81 carry 8, 9 6 the 54, 54 plus 8, 54 plus 6 gives 60 plus 2 62, and then 10 the 690. Okay, now 560 we have here. 560 means it will be 8 the 69 1 the 69 8 the 560 minus 552, remainder is 8. So this additional 0 we have to consider, it will be 80. Then 69 1 the 69, remainder will be 11. Decimal point will make it 110. Again 69 2 the 138, which is bigger than this. So 69 1 the 69, remainder will be 10 minus 9 1, 7 plus 4 41. Because of decimal point 0 can be there. 410 means it is 1 2 3 4 5 69 5 345. So till 2 digit it is okay. 81.15 is the answer. 81.15. The digit after decimal point is 1. 1 is less than 5. So approximately the value is 81%. So here it will come 81%. Remaining 100 minus 81. 100 minus 81 gives you 19%. So this calculation is important. Okay, and this part, rough part, you can do one side there only, or you can solve it below the table. This table will be on the answer paper. Table will come on the answer paper. Question number will be written with that. Okay, and after the table getting complete, the diagram will come on the graph paper where we have to mention the question number again. So calculation part in the answer paper and the graph will be on the graph paper. On both we need to mention the question number. On graph we need to mention the scale, xx dash, yy dash, all the details. Let us continue for the next year. 2008-9 now. 2008-2009. For this year, given information is 60 and 16. 60 trucks, 16 buses, totally 76. When 76 are the vehicles, 60 are the trucks, then out of 100, how much? Calculation part, 60 into 100 divided by 76. Or you can divide 60 also by 76, and whatever answer come, you can multiply it by 100. Or these numbers are small, so we can calculate percentage for buses, and then from 100 this can be subtract to get this. Anyhow, the final answer will be same. The numbers which we are going to get will be same. So 60 into 100, 6000, and we have to divide it by 76. So we'll make the table of 76. 76 1 the 76, 76 2 the 152, 3 the 228, 4 the 304, 5 the 380, 6 the 456 7 za, 492 8 za, 608 9 za, 694 and 10 za, 760. Okay, now 76 1 za, first three digit we need to choose 600. So 600 means it will fit this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 za. 76 7 za 492, because 608 is more than 600. 600 we have here, minus 492, it remains 10 minus 2 8, carry 1, so 0 108. Something is wrong here. Let us check the calculations. This is 7 za, just till this is correct. 8 za, 492 and 600. Yeah, it should match. 492 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, the problem is here, I have written it wrong. Let the check the table again. 76 2 za 152, correct. 3 za correct. 4 za correct. 5 za correct. 6 za correct. 7 za, here is problem. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 za is written wrong. 5 56, it should not be 492. This one is wrong. Let us see how much it comes. 2 za 3 za 4 za 5 za 6 za 7 za we are searching. 7 6 za 42, so carry 4. 7 7 za 49, 49 plus 4 53. Yeah, 532. 8 za, no, remaining is correct. Okay, so first is 600. So for 600 it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 za. 7 za it is coming 532. So the difference will be 10 minus 2 8, carry 1 4, 10 minus 4 is 6, 68 is remaining. The next zero will make it 680. So as it is 680, it will be 8 za. 76 8 za 608. Remainder will be here 72. Okay, 72 is smaller than 76, so decimal point will make it 720. 720 means can help 9 za. 9 za 694. Remaining is here 26. Yes, correct. Oh, it is the 30. 10 minus 4 is 6. 0. Yes, correct. 26. Because of decimal point, we can carry 0 up to 60. 260 means again it will come 3 za. Okay, so here the answer is 78.93. Now see, after the decimal point, the digit is 9. If it is 5 or more than 5, can be considered as the next integer. So 0.9 means 78.9 means approximately it is equal to 79. So this percentage will be considered approximately. This is sign for approximate. Equal to approximate means near about 79%. Remaining 100 minus 79, it will come 21. 21 will be the percentage for buses. That is for year 2008-9. Next is for 2009-10, and then after this we will continue with the required percentage bar graph. So 2009-10, that is the last class. 2009 to 2010. Number of trucks are 63. Number of buses are 18. We'll find first total. Total is here 81. Out of 81, 63. So 63 divided by 81 into 100. It will give the percentage for trucks. Then it will come percentage for buses. So 6300 divided by 81. So we'll form the table of 81 here. 81 1 za, 81 2 za, 162 3 za, 4 za, 5 za, 6 za, 7 za, 8 za, 9 za, and then 10 za. Okay, 630 we have 81 1 za, 630, 630, 630, 648 is more bigger, so 7 za, 81 7 za, 576, 630 minus 5 567, the difference is here 3, 9 plus 4 13, 43, additional 0, 430, 430 means 1 2 3 4 5 za, 81 5 za is 405, the remainder will be 25, decimal point will make it 250, for 250 we have 3 za, 70 81 3 are 243, remainder is here 7, 7 because of decimal point we can carry 0, 70, 70 is smaller than 81, so 75.30, after the decimal point the digit is smaller than 5, so approximately it is equivalent to 75. So for the last class, percentage of trucks 75, 100 minus 75 it will be 25% for buses. See, 87 plus 13, you can cross check, it should be 100. 87 plus 13 100, 81 plus 19 100, 79 plus 21 100, and 75 plus 25 also 100. So this is conversion of given information into form of percentage. So first we need to total the given information. 47 trucks out of 54 vehicles, buses and trucks, then out of 100 how much, or 7 buses out of 54, then out of 100 how much, how it will be calculated, 7 upon 54 into 100, it will give this calculation, 100 minus that calculation will give the next, and we have to find out equal to nearest integer because it is on the graph paper. Okay, now this information we have to convert in the graph. So this is necessary, I will rub this because we will be needing the place. Okay, so this is not necessary for us, and the year also from 2005 till 2010. Okay, so that will come on x-axis, and the frequency, that is percentage, will come on y-axis. Now let us continue with that. For the graph, first write the question number 7.1, question number 1, then x-axis, y-axis will come here, x dash, y dash. Okay, arrowheads are also necessary to show, half mark will come otherwise. Okay, now scale will come, half mark is there for scale also on x-axis. Now here we have 1 2 3 4 percentage bar graph, we need the gap. Okay, equal gap, 1 2 3 4, so every centimeter we can consider 1 year, 2005 to 2006. Okay, every year can be considered equal to 1 centimeter. So on x-axis 1 cm is equal to 1 year, and we'll start with 2005-6 with the gap. So this year is nothing but 2005 to 2006, then gap, the next is 2006 to 2007, gap, next is 2007 to 2008. Okay, then next is 2008 to 2009, and the last is 2009 to 2010. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, some information is it missing, 5 6 7 8. So in the given information 5 6 6 7 is not mentioned, direct 7 8 8 9 and 9 10, maybe printing mistake, or as per the given information will continue. So 6 7 is not given, but we'll keep as it is. Okay, as it is part of, otherwise there should be printing mistake, first class should be shown by 2006 7. Okay, because it is not possible that here it is gap of 2 years and then continuous gap of 1 year. Now for the, so here we have the years. Okay, on x-axis, on y-axis we have percentage, trucks and buses, vehicles, percentage of vehicles, that is percentage of trucks and buses. Now as we know, it is percentage means out of 100, so we will consider on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. So this is 10%, then 20%, 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and at the last it is 100%. For first class 2005-6, number of trucks 87%. 5-6, 87 means after 87 small line. On the graph paper you have the small lines. Okay, I have plain, so I will just consider is near to 90 away from 80. So this can be the bar. You can consider full 200 because out of that 87% is for trucks. So this 87% is for trucks, and remaining 13% this is for buses. So we will use this shade for bus. That also need to mention. This we are considering for buses, and this portion like this it will be for trucks. Okay, to understand it better. The next year which was given to us 2007-8, 81%. For 2007-8, first make full bar because it is a percentage bar, so out of 100. Okay, now out of 100%, 81% is for trucks. 81 means after 80 first small line, and then remaining will be for buses. Then next 2008-9, 100% is sure because it is percentage bar graph. So we'll finish that first. For 2019 also 100%. So you can observe here all the level is same because it is percentage bar graph. So for 2008-9, 79% is for trucks, 79 below 80, and then remaining 21% for buses. And for the last class 2009 to 2010, 75%, very easy, half of 70 to 80, and then remaining is for buses. So in this way percentage bar graph can be shown with the help of given information and graph. I hope you people understood. We'll stop it here for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.